friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, Valentine's Day is almost upon us, but I still wanted to share this Valentine ornament with you that I made. And this is gonna be a cheat sheet tutorial. I'm just gonna show you briefly how quickly you can create a cute little ornament like this for your Valentine tree, like I made for mine. I love it. First thing I did was I cut out a heart out of styrofoam, and friends, I'll go ahead and make a pattern for all of this in case you want to make it out of a different kind of material.
And you actually cut those on your live. That's what you had extras.
Yeah, I had extras of this because I made some on my live that were waffle hearts. Decorated waffle hearts. So that's why I had some left over, and that's why I'm not cutting one on film. All right, what I did use to base coat it with was the classic caramel from Apple Barrel. And then I shaded, not shaded, but I sprinkled the sides with my little copper paint from that little variety pack.
You mean copper sprinkles? Glitter?
Copper glitter, what did I say?
Paint.
This is our second video. I'm acting goofy already. Alrighty, friends, look how quick and easy it is to make this cute little ornament here. I'm gonna get started. I've got some, this is Crayola clay, model light or whatever. And
is that the expensive stuff? Or pricier stuff, I should say.
Pricier stuff, yes. I don't. The only reason I have some of this is because there was a store going out of business, and I bought a bunch of little packs for 25 cents. All right, and I added a little bit of just some yellow paint, and I don't have it out here to show you. Yeah, I do.
What's it naturally, just a white color?
Yeah, it was in white, and I used this pale daffodil. So I just put a drop in there and kind of worked it, and I came up with this little honeycomb color. And now I'm using my little rolling pin to roll it.
Oh, so that's what you're, using for the honeycomb.
Yeah, I'm using it for the insert. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my heart out.
So really, you can add any paint, make it any color you want.
Yes. You know, folks, you can make this out of the flesh-colored clay, your base. I'll show you in a minute. I made one out of clay. I just didn't make it thick enough. So...
start to curl up on you?
No, believe it or not, it didn't curl up on me. It just kind of looked flat. All right. And I'm just taking a regular plastic heart cookie cutter.
I know I'm not very active on the Facebook page, but I still do read some of the comments. And I learned the other day, because there was a lady who was having issues with her clay curling up on her. And everybody in the comments were awesome and said, you need to make it thicker.
Yes, I know.
So if it starts to curl on you, friends, you're making it too thin. Make it thicker.
That's true. I learned so much from you. I love the people on our group page. I just, all of you friends, you have so much to offer. You may not think that you're sharing a big craft or you're just a beginner or something, but you always have something to offer. All right. See, it comes out pretty good. Then I got this, I guess this is a hot pad holder.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for like dishes, for like pots and pans.
And I got this at Walmart. I think it was like 98 cents. But look, it's got like the honeycomb. Sorry.
Just like, yeah.
Okay,
just like the other day when you were trying to say charcuterie board.
Oh, I still can't say that word. Oh my goodness. Please don't put me on the spot. Okay, so I just put it on top of it and just rolled it.
And you're just applying light pressure, medium pressure.
Oh, man.
What's the matter? It looks good on...
But it kind of did a double whammy. But that's okay. Friends, it's okay. It's going to look great.
Oh, that actually adds like a 3D effect to it, though.
It does.
There's no such thing as mistakes. It's bespoke.
That's right. That's right. Thank you, Eric. Okay, so, well, no, let me go ahead. And I forgot to charge my super duper glue gun. So it's dead right now.
So are you using that as glue? Is that what that was?
Yes, I'm using gold dimensional paint.
Okay, so preferably if you're at home and you've got glue, hot glue, use that.
Yeah.
Not paint. Because who knows how well this will hold up.
No, this will hold up well.
Oh,
I
will
promise
it?
you.
Oh,
yes.
Excuse me then.
Yes.
What do I know? I'm just a camera guy.
You know a lot. Okay, now you've got your little honeycomb in the background. I sure hate that I did a double whammy on that one, but that's going to be okay, friends. Everything's okay.
Well, I like it.
I do too. It's going to be good. And last year during the summer, everybody was finding this little mold of the bee mold, and I couldn't find one. And my sweet friend Debbie Williams, hi Debbie Williams.
Hi Debbie.
She sent me this, the mold, and I made a bunch of little bees during the summer, and I have them ready for crafts. So be on the lookout for that, because usually they have them every year. Now I've already got my little bee ready to put on there.
Shout out to Debbie Williams, who's still recovering from a double knee surgery.
Oh my gosh, she is amazing. She's doing so well. We love you. Love you, friend.
Hope you're doing well. I know it's tough.
Okay, and I'm taking some black dimensional paint tulip, and I'm going to write my Be Mine on there. You want to come around? Because I cannot do this upside down.
Well, you suck.
Stop it. Shamaco. Oh, I can just see the comments now. Oh, all right. I'm distracted now.
I'm good at doing that.
Yes, you are. And it doesn't have to be perfect.
Dang, you used to work at a cake shop or what?
No, actually it's not doing too good, but if you practice a little bit, it'll be all right.
That's what I try and tell friends all the time. They're like, I don't want to mess it up. I'm like, you're never going to learn.
That's
if you
true.
Don't mess it up.
That is so true.
So if you don't want to mess up your main project, which, I mean, it can happen anyways, but practice off to the side.
Yes, and that's what I did on wax paper before I did that one over there. And it was all right. But you've got to try it, friends. Don't be scared. All right, I'm just going to put a little red heart with red tulip slick here. Just because. I actually think that because I've been doing all this fake stuff and it turns out so cute, I'm actually thinking about doing some real cookies and real cupcakes and all that. You know what? I got a little bit ahead of myself.
I bet
surprise,
you did.
Surprise.
You forgot the glitter, didn't you?
Yes, and I forgot glitter a while ago. Okay, I'm taking a dry brush right here, and I've got some folk art, and it is antique copper.
Point it up at the...
You can barely see that because it's old.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm not even gonna...
Is that like 30-year-old paint? It's still good?
Oh, no, but I just don't remember what I used this on. Do it before you do your writing. Friends, don't do what I just did.
That's even if you want to add
yes,
like
but
a shadow and highlight
look, I like
effect.
to shade it. It looks cute like that. Adds a little dimension to it. It wouldn't be mine if I didn't make it.
Hey, lady, you messed up. You got paint right on the edge right there.
Where?
Right there, see? Oh, look, now the more you turn it, the more you got it right there, too.
Where?
Your shade.
Oh, I thought black.
No.
Don't scare me, Eric.
I'm just messing.
Oh, Eric is on a roll today. Like I said earlier, we've had some wicked weather in North Texas, ice freezing, rain, and I was so worried about Eric walking into the house with his equipment because I was afraid of him slipping and sliding like everybody else.
I'd have just sent you an invoice for it.
I'm retired, remember?
Well, time for Mama to go back to work.
Oh, no. I love being my own boss. I kind of was anyway, but still. Okay. I'm going to put this right here so it won't dry out on me. And see, friends, what I forgot is that I already had one ready. And just to be detailed, I was going to show you how to do this. I went ahead and glued it on there. But anyway, here you go. I'm doing it right on the spot.
So all you did on this one that you said over here was everything you've already done. You just shaded it?
I shaded it, and then so I'm just going to go with this right quick.
This is like what you did on the last video where you took the, what is that, the tulip glitter?
Yes, excuse me, right here, just a second, right here. Yes, this is the tulip. Did I not show that?
No, you didn't show it. That's what I was trying to get.
There you go.
Glitter diamond, and you use this kind of like a Mod Podge, right?
Yes.
Because you
And
said
a glue. It works as a glue
Well,
too.
you said the benefit using this technique over Mod Podge on certain things is it keeps it from running.
Right. Over your Sharpie.
I'm saying this for myself. I'm sure everybody else already knows, but
Friends, look. Let me just show you something. How. You know what?
you did just glue it down with paint.
I know, but where's that little scraper? I'm gonna scrape it off because I don't. You know, I like for things to be perfect on camera. I can't believe I did this, and I prepared ahead of time.
And you told me this is going to be a short video, too.
Okay, is it too long?
It's longer than I want to hold the camera.
Okay. All righty. So I'm just going to sprinkle it, and this is iridescent glitter from that little variety pack, and it's super fine. It is so cool. We're almost done. That's all I did, and when it dries, it'll look clear like that. And then I used the gold paint. And I just kind of I want to thank all our subscribers who take the time to like and comment. We just appreciate you so much. It's always a joy to come on here and do a tutorial for y'all. Y'all make me feel so special and so good about sharing my crafts that I just have a big love for. And Eric is so helpful, and I know that y'all acknowledge him as well. And we're just so grateful and appreciative of you. And I just had to say that. I said it in Spanish in my last video, so.
Yeah, I was waiting for you to say it in English,
I'm saying it in English now. Sometimes I get stage fright when I say things in Spanish because I want to be sure and say it correctly. And our Spanish-speaking audience are so good to us, too. I love, especially my friend Elsa Hernandez. I want to say hi to Elsa. Hi, Elsa. I love you, sweet friend. She keeps me up on my Spanish. I'm just putting a little confetti on here. Make it look like a cookie. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of gold glitter. What is this? Champagne gold. And I'll just sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And when it dries, it'll be all pretty. And then I'm gonna put the little bee on there with the same stuff. I'm gonna use the
diamond again?
diamond
Okay.
as a glue. Oh, friends, please forgive me that I forgot that I had another one ready. Gee whiz. There you go. And then I'm going to glue this little heart just to give it some color.
If you only knew the irony about how perfectly real you want something that's fake to look, it's hilarious.
Especially me. Friends, like I said, we've had wicked weather. Comment below and let me know what the weather's been like where you live.
I'm sure if it's cold here in Texas, it's probably cold everywhere else.
Not in Hawaii, I hope.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. And also, my daughter-in-law found these on Amazon, these little hooks, and we'll include the link to them. They're the little curly Q hooks. If you're going to make an ornament, these are the best things that I have found. I just love them.
And that's what you use to hang everything on your tree,
That's
right?
what I use to hang everything on my tree. So we'll include the link to that. And you want to tell them, Eric, that we'll have links for everything?
Yes.
And that how much money we're making off of it. How much money we've made so far.
Well, I just said this on the last video, but I'll say it again. We have set my mom up with an Amazon affiliate link, so everything you do order, I'm just being clear that we do get some kickback on it, but like it's very minimal. If you've ever messed with any of these monetary things, it's not, I'm sure if you have a lot of traffic, it can be profitable, but I think we've made a whopping 74 cents over the past couple of weeks. So
I'm rich.
it's really just to pay for her gold glitter.
Listen, friends, I just love y'all, and I would do it regardless, you know, payment or no payment. But I just wanted to show you the dough one that I made. I used that flesh dough and color. I mean, yeah, it's called flesh, and it's clay. I'm saying dough. It's clay, and I just made it too thin. See, but mine don't curl up. It just looks flat where I grabbed it.
You reinforced it though.
But I put
You added layers to it, so that's gonna keep it.
Well, I added a little fat layer too, but look how cute it looks. See, I can't do the curly Q on this one like I did there, but add that to yours. It'll look so cute. What I was gonna mention about it is I put mine on a cooling rack, like the rack, like this.
Like this one that you have all your stuff on?
Yeah, I put, and that's where my clay stuff dries, and it doesn't ever curl up. I haven't had anything curl up, so you might want to try that. I don't know, might work for you as well. All right, friends, there you go. I will copy a pattern to all this and link it onto the video. Meanwhile, thanks for putting up for me. I love you, friends. Until next time, oh, we're doing a live. We're doing a live, and we will advertise ahead of time. Love you, friends.
February 5th at 7 p.m. Central Time.
Okay.
Tune in.
All righty. Love you, friends. Bye.